Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode, we're going through how to enable the BCM Theft Security Lock in a Holden JH Cruze. So first off, we click the vehicle button and then go to the body control module tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module, or will show the licensing screen now if you haven't licensed already. Once it's loaded in, we'll see on the top we will have the flashing tab. So we go up, click on that one. We'll then head over to the configurable options just to the left. We'll have an option here for BCM Theft Security Lock, which is currently disabled, and we're going to now enable it. Make sure you have a battery charger or maintainer fitted to the vehicle, and once you do, you can go ahead and click write. This write procedure does take roughly 4 minutes, so it is important to have a battery charger fitted while this occurs to ensure the battery voltage doesn't get low. Now, first off, the purpose of the BCM Theft Security Lock is to prevent any of these factory or aftermarket key programming tools from being able to program keys, since that's the most common theft method that is happening currently. Once you've enabled it, they will not be able to actually program a new key to the car, and that will prevent them from starting it up and driving away. Also with this, this is locked to your account. So once it's enabled, only your OBDSync account is able to come in and remove the BCM lock. So if you need to add a key, you can remove the lock, add the key, and then lock it again. If someone else with an OBDSync account connects, they will not be able to get into the BCM to do anything. That's all it took. We'll go ahead, click OK, and that's now completed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.